YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're sitting in my brand new home office. I'm super excited about this. I'm not quite done with it, but it's coming together nicely and I'm really enjoying the setup. And I'm enjoying the fact that I can work from home and still get a lot of content done, still get a lot of stuff done on my computer here at home without having to leave, and still be able to take breaks and spend time with the kids and do all that. But today we're gonna do another unboxing, another tool from the Andis Clipper Company. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and run the intro.
He owns 3 barbershops in the Jacksonville area where he gives customers not only a new look, but also a new outlook.
All right, so you guys know that I'm an Andis educator. So on this channel, all the tools you're gonna see are gonna be Andis. And Andis has just released the brand new MV-Li in that amazing Galaxy blue color. And I wanna show it to you guys. I wanna take it out of the box. They also have the Slimline Pro as well in that same Galaxy blue. So you got the matching combo, a super limited collectible edition clipper. If you're a collector like I am, this is definitely gonna sit up on your shelf really nicely. I usually try to get 2 pair of each. That way I can use one and create content with one, and then have one on my shelf as a collector's item, because I know that the value of these tools does go up over time. If you're a big collector like I am, I got the 90s edition Master, I got the Fat Master, I have just a lot of different tools that have come out but haven't re-released, and I'm hoping for maybe some re-releases in the future, maybe some cordless, but I won't get too far into that. I won't get ahead of myself. Let's talk about this Slimline Galaxy Pro and this new colorway that Andis has chose to release. Again, y'all already know the packaging is amazing. The Slimline Pro, this is gonna be a regular blade, but you can always switch it out for that GTX. That's probably what I would do if I'm gonna be using this tool on a daily basis. I'm gonna go ahead and start opening this thing up, man. We're gonna see what's inside. And as usual, you got your user's manual. You can see that. And then you got the nice Create Your Way postcard that they always throw in there. And remember to register your tools, put them on this, scan them on this code. That way customer service knows that you have the tool when you bought the tool, and they can take care of you on any of their needs. Now, you know the Slimline has the nice charging stand, which is something that I really love and enjoy with all of my tools, is having that nice charging stand that's gonna help me not just sit my tools down, but actually put them in that charging stand so I don't ever die, my battery never dies. Even though this tool does have 2 hours of run time, you still just wanna make sure that you sit them on that charger, and then you don't have to worry about your batteries dying or anything. So as I open up this blue, look at that blue. And I posted some videos on Instagram as well of the actual MV, but this is gonna be your Slimline in that same Galaxy blue, 6,000 SPM, you know, the typical Slimline, just in that new flavorful blue. So if you're a blue guy, if you like blue in your barbershop, I like to use this tool for the kids. If I'm trimming up around the edges, if I'm trimming up underneath the neck where it's a little more sensitive, I like pulling out my Slimline Pro to make sure that I'm not nicking anyone or, you know, just being too aggressive with some of those other tools. And of course you got your charger, you got your oils, and then you got some nice guards, right? So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna actually, you know what? I got 2 pair of these. I just wanna give these away. I just wanna bless somebody with these tools. So what we're gonna do is I wanna start the hashtag Galaxy Blue Andis. Nah, that ain't it, that ain't it, that ain't it. Let's start the hashtag Galaxy Raws. Tag me on Instagram. I want to see a video. Matter of fact, I want to see a video. One of you guys, I know a lot of you guys are content creators like I am. I want to see the dopest video using Andis tools, but use the hashtag Galaxy Raws, and I'm going to ship these out for you guys. I'm going to pick a winner and I'm going to ship one out to one of you guys, whoever my favorite video is, and we're going to drop that, let's say a week from today, December, I'm making this up as we go, December 1st. December 1st? Nah, that's too soon. All right, let's do it right before Christmas, okay? Let's do December 20th, Wednesday, December 20th. I'm gonna pick a winner. You're gonna use the hashtag Galaxy Raws. Galaxy, R-A-W-S, my last name. That way I can go on Instagram. I want to see highlight videos, just anything. Get creative using Andis tools. I'm going to pick a video. It could be a hype video. It could be an instructional. I don't care. I'm going to give you the freedom to just choose whatever you want. But do me a video using Andis tools. Use the hashtag Galaxy Raws, and I'm going to ship you out a pair of these MVs and a pair of these Slimlines, just so you can have them for your collection and use them in your barbershop if you must. Limited edition Galaxy Blue. Again, I'm loving the color. I'm loving the packaging. I'm loving everything about these tools. So yeah, make sure you use that hashtag and enter to win that MV. Let's open this thing up and see what's inside. This is gonna be your cordless MV-LI. I'm gonna be real careful with this box because it's no longer belongs to me. It belongs to one of you guys. And I know those videos are gonna be fire. Can't wait to see them. This comes with 11 attachment combs, cordless charging. It's got that Galaxy Blue, which we already know that's the main focus of this video. And if you guys have ever used the MV-LI, one of my favorite tools because of how light it is. It's super easy to use, especially a lot of the females that are in the salons cutting men's hair, or even the female barbers that like that lightweight tool. This is gonna be the perfect selection for you. It's gonna be that MV-LI. Look at the flake. Look at how it turns kind of purplish blue as you look at it in the light. And always make sure that you're charging up your tools before you turn them on. But that thing is pretty. And again, I dropped a video on my Instagram with this tool. And like I said, we're doing a giveaway. So make sure Galaxy Raws on Instagram. Use the hashtag in the video. I'm gonna select the winner December 20th, right before Christmas. You should be getting them in right on Christmas time. Comes with the charger, comes with everything. And I'm gonna be honest, the one thing that I do wish that the MV-LI did come with is gonna be a charging stand. I've seen it in my comments. I've seen it when I do all these videos. I see the comments, I see what you guys are requesting. And trust me that we're working on a lot of things to give to you guys. We're listening to the barber community and we're making a lot of changes. 2024 is gonna be an amazing year for Andis. Trust me, believe me, and stay on this channel because I'm gonna be dropping a lot of new things on this channel when it comes to Andis clippers and tools that we are working on. So there you guys have it, man. Andis MV-LI. Just a quick unboxing, nothing fancy. I didn't do no crazy fancy camera work. Just wanted to do a quick video of this brand new tool that just came out. And I wanted to show it to you guys, show y'all that blue flake, how it looked. And I'm really loving this color. I've never really been a blue guy. I'm more of a red guy. I like the 90 Editions Master, like I mentioned earlier. So I'm a big red guy, but I am feeling this blue color. And I hope you are too. Thank you guys for always tuning in. I know I'm only on here like once every 6 months, but I appreciate every single person that tunes into the channel and watches my videos. If you guys would like to see something when it comes to these, you guys want to see them cut, you want to see anything else, make sure you leave it down in the comments. Appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.